In honor of Small Business Week, PSEG Long Island, we've partnered with Zuzu's, located in Farmingdale, to have a slice of pizza and connect with our local businesses, having one-on-one review sessions with each business owner to outline plans for their projects and to review the products and services that we offer to support their efforts.
When we were first getting open, there was definitely a challenge towards the end of the project. You know, everything comes in, all the business expenses, all of the equipment expenses. And at that time, working with the Business First PSEG Long Island program, when those grants actually came in, it was just the perfect timing, and it was just we couldn't have asked for better help at that time. And you know, to boot, they were just wonderful to work with. The paperwork was processed quickly, the questions were answered in a timely fashion, and it was just a very, very smooth, easy process.
And Business First outlines all of the products and services that are readily available for small to medium businesses here on Long Island. At PSEG Long Island, we strive to ensure that they have incentives that help them with their expansion projects and growth, because we want to see them thrive and survive here on Long Island.